In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not opening. So the first fix is you want to go to and open Epic Games, and here you want to click on these three dots, click Manage, and you want to make sure launch options are turned off. So this has to be off, and this will allow BattleEye to launch. Now if you try to launch the game and BattleEye tells you that it's not gonna launch because you have mods in the game, you have installed mods, then you're gonna have to delete these mods from your GTA 5 folder first. So you can either delete them manually or just click verify, and this will just make sure your folders are all authentic. So you can try this and try launching the game. If this still doesn't work, then you can try to uninstall and reinstall the game completely and see if that fixes your issue. So if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can try to do is you can go to the folder of GTA 5. So if you go to manage and go to installation and go here, this is the folder. So right here you can see this is the normal GTA 5, but this fix will also work for the GTA 5 enhanced version as well. So if you're on enhanced, you can just follow through. So what you can do is right click on this GTA 5.exe and click properties and compatibility, and you wanna choose disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK. Right click this one as well and do the same thing. So like this, and apply, and do the same thing to this one as well. Disable and like this. Now try to launch the game, and if that still doesn't work, then you might just be having an issue because your graphics card are not compatible. So if you want to see what type of graphics card you're using, then you go to device manager, and under device manager go to display adapters, and here you'll see your graphics cards. Now if you're using a standard graphics card, then you might have to upgrade your graphics card. So you might have to buy a more expensive or a better graphics card, because GTA 5 normally requires a so much CPU usage. So just buy a better graphics card and see if that helps you with your issue. And if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.